acylation of amines. So acylation means acyl group. So this is nothing but the R C double bond O X. This is acyl halide. Acyl halide. Okay. How acylation takes place on primary, secondary and tertiary amines, that we will see now. So the statement of this reaction is amines in presence of acyl halide and pyridine produces amides. So here if you see the reaction, primary amines gives N-alkyl amides, secondary amines gives N-dialkyl amides, and if you see the tertiary amines, because of absence of hydrogen atom, no reaction. Okay, we'll explain these all reactions, how this primary amine produces N-alkylamides, how this secondary amine produces N-dialkylamides, then tertiary amine gives you the no any reaction because of absence of hydrogen atom, which is directly attached to the nitrogen. Okay, so we'll see the explanation and some of the examples for this acylation reaction. So for acylation, of amines. If you consider simple ammonia, okay, if you consider the ammonia, how ammonia is reacted? Simply if you react this ammonia with acyl chloride, suppose I have taken here, this on reaction with ammonia in presence of pyridine. Py means here pyridine, Py, this is pyridine. Okay, so if you want the structure of pyridine, this is pyridine structure. And okay, so this is pyridine. This acts as a base in this reaction, and the product if you see here, this R C double bond O NH2 plus here this HCl and this pyridine, they can form salt. Okay, so neutral structure, neutral compound is formed as a byproduct. So this Cl and one of the hydrogen that forms this HCl, and this is simple amide. Okay, this is with ammonia. So what is the reaction of primary amine? Now we will see the primary amine. Primary amine gives N-alkyl amide. N-alkylamide, how this N-alkylamide is formed? With the primary amines. Now see here primary amine, this is RNH2. This on reaction with RCOX in presence of pyridine gives RNH C double bond O R. If you compare this structure with amide, simple amide, now see here this simple amide, this is your simple amide, one of the hydrogen atom from the amide, okay, one hydrogen atom is replaced by R group here. This is N-alkyl amide, this is called as N-alkyl amide. Okay, now see here this reaction with primary amines, N-alkyl amide plus what you will get here, HX plus your pyridine as it is. Pyridine is for it acts as a base. Okay, so in the last step, as a byproduct, if it is formed, it is going to neutralize this acid. Suppose it is HCl. This HCl acid is neutralized by this pyridine, because this pyridine is base, this HCl is acid, so there is a salt. So neutral solution is formed. So amides are neutral, amines are bases, and amides are neutral. Okay, now we'll see the reaction with secondary amine. So with secondary amine it forms NN dialkyl amide. It is the product. So how this reaction takes place? If you see the secondary amine RNH and here again R, this is secondary amine because nitrogen is attached to two R groups. This on reaction with RCOX in presence of pyridine, it gives RNR C double bond O R. Means it is NN dialkyl amide plus HX plus your pyridine. This forms salt. If you see the difference between this primary and secondary amines, in primary amines two hydrogens are there, will require only one hydrogen. Okay, for reaction with acyl halide, we require minimum one hydrogen atom. So this primary amine contains two hydrogen atoms. One hydrogen atom is reacted with this halogen and there is formation of HX. Similarly in secondary amine, this hydrogen atom is abstracted and there is formation of HX. But what about this tertiary amine now? Now we'll see the reaction with tertiary amine. So these tertiary amines, there is no reaction. Why no reaction? That we will see. Okay, we have seen here that this tertiary amine cannot show any reaction. Why no reaction? That we will see now. So here consider this tertiary amine. Suppose this tertiary amine writing here this R and R and this is also R group. This is tertiary amine. There is absence of hydrogen atom. So when this reacts with R C double bond OX in presence of pyridine, what happens here? It cannot form any amide, no reaction. Why no reaction? Because of absence of hydrogen atom. Okay, so this nitrogen does not contain any hydrogen atom. That's why for the formation of this HX, there is no any hydrogen atom. So we conclude here. For such important and informative videos, please subscribe to my channel Chemistry Learners and don't forget to press bell icon button. Thank you.